Circle of influence and circle of concern is a popular concept introduced by Stephen Covey in his world-famous book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This theory essentially teaches us on how to focus our energies on things which we can control in our life and not to worry about the other matters which we cannot influence. I'm going to talk about a movie today, The Mask of Zorro. This movie gives an interesting lesson to us about how we can expand our circle of influence. It's called the Zorro Circle.
Do you know how to use that thing?
Yes. The pointy end goes into the other man.
For those who have not seen the movie yet, there is a scene in this movie. Young Alejandro is taught by his master Don Diego about swordsmanship.
This is going to take a lot of work.
In the teaching technique used by Don Diego, he shows Alejandro what he calls as a training circle.
This is called a training circle, the master's wheel. This circle will be your world, your whole life.
He tells Alejandro to practice swordsmanship in that small circle. Anything which falls outside that circle, Alejandro has to imagine that it does not exist. Not even the man who killed Alejandro's brother.
Until I tell you otherwise, there is nothing outside of it.
Captain Love is...
There is nothing outside of it. Captain Love does not exist until I say he exists.
Only after mastering that small circle, he is allowed to take on bigger challenges by his master Don Diego.
As your skill with the sword improves, you will progress to a smaller circle. With each new circle, your world contracts, bringing you that much closer to your adversary, that much closer to retribution.
The lesson for us here is we have to set our first goal as to regaining our internal locus of control. Internal locus of control is the belief that you are in control of what's happening in your life.
I like that part.
Or in other language, to become more self-aware. After you mastered the self-awareness circle, the next step is to identify which part of your life that you do have control over and which ones you don't. The basic idea here is to see that there are things that are out of your hands that you simply have no control over. But also, there are things that you have control over and you have to focus your energies on those things which you can control. By tackling one small challenge at a time, a narrow circle that slowly expands outward, we can relearn that our actions do have a direct effect on our outcomes, that we are the masters of our own life. If you can focus and master the small, manageable goals in your life first, you can then expand the sphere of power to larger goals. Tackle one small challenge at a time and clearly see and let go of things that you do not have control over. And focus your energies on the things which you do have control over. Slowly and steadily grow your circle of control. That's the lesson Don Diego taught young Alejandro in the movie The Mask of the Zorro. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.